Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious medium cake. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using room temperature ingredients, such as butter and eggs, is crucial for a smooth batter and a perfectly textured cake. This preparation step sets the foundation for a successful and enjoyable baking experience, ensuring everything is ready before you begin mixing. It saves time and prevents last-minute rushes. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened butter and 2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, which is vital for a tender cake. Next, add 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding 2 1/4 cups of dry ingredients with 1 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. Avoid overmixing for a tender crumb. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the mixture into a prepared 9-inch round cake pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a wooden skewer into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. This allows it to firm up before you gently invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. The final, and arguably most fun, step is frosting and decorating your masterpiece. It's crucial that your cake is completely cool before you even think about frosting it. Otherwise, your frosting will melt. Spread your favorite frosting evenly over the top and sides using an offset spatula for a smooth finish. For a beautiful presentation, consider decorating with fresh berries, delicate chocolate shavings, or a scattering of colorful sprinkles. Enjoy your homemade, delicious medium cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.